Hello, and welcome to the Financial Room. I'm your host, Natasha Bridgmohan, president of the Bridge Group of Companies and mortgage broker with Mortgage Intelligence. Today's topic is going to be a very interesting but simple one. It's called the home purchase closing process. So if you're already a current homeowner and your intention is to buy another home in the future, or you're a first-time home buyer, it's very important that you equip yourself with all the information, again, resources and tools you need to move forward in making the right educated decision as a homeowner. First step, always make sure you get pre-approved with a qualified mortgage broker. Being pre-approved will allow you the opportunity for you to understand what your maximum purchase price is, what your down payment requirement is, and how long is your rate guaranteed for. Once you're pre-approved, tag up with a great real estate brokerage. Get acquainted with a real estate agent that is an expert in your local area. And ensure that you interview him and ask him the most key important questions for you. Make sure that you connect with him and you have the synergy that's very, very important for you to continue to go out there, spend your time, and look for your dream home. Now, if you're not buying a resale home and you want to buy a new home, research the builder. Make sure that you look at reviews, look at their past performance, and the area that you are also buying in. It's very important for you to do research in the area. Once all that's done, make sure that you move forward in working with your mortgage broker once you have an offer that's in place. Now, before you have that offer in place, ensure that you have the proper representation, either a lawyer or a real estate broker that is giving you the proper advice when making those decisions. Once the offer is approved, your mortgage broker will submit your deal and convert your pre-approval into a live mortgage commitment. Now, that live mortgage commitment will then be set on pre-approving the property, not only your purchase price or interest rate, but the property must also be pre-approved. Now, once a pre-approved becomes into that commitment, then you'll be able to meet with a mortgage broker and sign all the necessary documents that you need to get approved without no conditions remaining. Once that's done, the lender then will review those documents and audit your documents to ensure everything is good, and then you get a clear go-ahead, green light in regards to the funding process. Now, the funding process is a very simple one. The lender will send something called a solicitor's instructions to your lawyer, and your lawyer will follow those instructions and ensure that all those conditions are fulfilled to the best of his ability. Now, the lawyer will also not only follow the solicitor's instructions, but representing you as the home purchaser and educating you with all the pros and cons you need to do in respect to completing the closing transaction. Now, what are those steps? Some of your lawyers will require you to bring an ID, which is the law, and of course bringing your certified down payment if you are purchasing with a down payment, and also ensuring that you have proper home insurance, etc., etc. Now, we talked about getting pre-approved, getting equipped with a nice real estate agent, and of course a builder if you're buying a new build, getting a great mortgage broker on your team, a lender, the lender process, and the lender relationship with the solicitor. And at the end of all of that, once the entire transaction is completed, you, the homeowner, will get a beautiful phone call from your lawyer saying, "Come on in, we have your keys." So that process can be a very simple, stress-free process if you have the right people on your team, from a proper mortgage broker that's very educated and professional, to a very educated and highly negotiable real estate lawyer with excellent skills set in respect to sales, a great lender that gives you that golden mortgage commitment, and of course using a mortgage broker, you can guarantee that you'll be getting a great mortgage product. Not only rate, but also all the bells and whistles that you need to secure your future in becoming mortgage free. And of course, a solicitor, that's the end of the transaction. You want to make sure that that solicitor protects you in terms of reviewing the agreement of purchase and sale, and of course protecting your registration and title. Now, if you're already a homeowner, congratulations. If you're a first-time home buyer, we're here for you. To view any of our past files or videos, you can reach us and visit us on YouTube, or feel free to contact me, Natasha Bridgmohan, at 1-866-553-7467 for further information, or 1-866-553-7467 for further information, or visit us on our website, www.thebridgegroup.ca, www.thebridgegroup.ca. Again, thank you for joining us. Until next time, take care.